that an umbrella in your bag? It's not likely to rain today.
Is that an umbrella in your bag? It's not likely to rain today.
No, this is a sunshade.
No, this is a sunshade.
I want to protect myself from the sun.
I want to protect myself from the sun.
Wow, you're covering yourself completely from the sun.
Wow, you're covering yourself completely from the sun.
UV rays can cause sunburn and even skin cancer.
UV rays can cause sunburn and even skin cancer.
Oh, that sounds scary.
Oh, that sounds scary.